go for interpretation, go for giving your own insights. நீங்க உங்க ரிசர்ச் பண்ணா மட்டும் தான் உங்களுக்கு அந்த இன்சைட்ஸ்லாம் வரும். உங்களுக்கு என்ன இன்சைட் வரும்? என்னோட ஸ்டடி, I have done lot of research, I know why this is different, why it is not different, only you know it. Fine, you try this chart pixel. Just go to this tool. I'll show you a file. So this is a research we have done on research competencies of research scholars of South Indian universities. ஒரு 383 பேர் டேட்டா வாங்கியிருந்தாங்க. ஒரு 40-50 கொஸ்டின் கேட்டிருந்தாங்க. We just uploaded. You can see the result. They provide first analysis for all the variables. They give one beautiful summary for each and every variable. Then they give you, okay, see, all the charts are there one by one. For every chart, explanation is there. For every chart, you can see just below the chart there's something called one bulb is there. One bulb that is called speculation. You click the bulb, they'll give you how this data can be interpreted, what can be the rationale behind this reason. Okay, so beautiful. You can try chart pixel, a beautiful tool. You can try. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay, then comes Julius. This is for data analysis. If you want to analyze some data, no, so I have an Excel file. I want to get mean, median, mode, standard deviation, or I want to conduct one sample t-test, or independent sample t-test, or paired sample t-test, or I want to go for correlation, Pearson correlation, Spearman correlation, I want to go for regression, simple regression, logic regression, I want to go for one-way ANOVA, two-way ANOVA. In the statistical test, you can go for Julius AI. Just upload your Excel sheet, you ask a question. Kindly conduct one correlation study between this variable and this variable. They will do the analysis, they'll give a beautiful table and they will interpretation. Okay, a beautiful tool, just like SPSS, no? Here you have to go and ask. In SPSS, menus are there. Here no menu is there. After uploading your Excel sheet, you have to go and ask question. After the question, no, they will give beautiful. I checked. Whatever answers Julius gives, whatever answer SPS gives, both are same. Exactly same. You can reliably use it. Okay, beautiful tool. You can try Julius AI. Just go to Julius AI. You can upload your file, Excel sheet. I am uploading my Excel file. My Excel file is there. Once the file has come, you can ask all the questions. Mean, median, mode. See, you can select one column. Your Excel sheet, you will have many columns, no? You select any one column. And you ask any question about that column. There is a column called sales, for example. Sales. You can ask a question. Which day has got the maximum sales? Which day has got the least sales? What is the total sales? What is the average sales? What is sales of first week, second week? You ask any question about that column, it will be the answer. Beautiful tool, Julius A. You can try this. Okay, maybe because of time, no, I just skip it. Okay, yes, that's about Julius. Then we have tools for data visualization, report generation. I'll just show you about one particular tool, and then I'll move on to or 5 minutes or 10 minutes presentation on general tools. I'll just tell you name of the tools and that. Okay. This is a tool for creating reports. So whenever you want to create some reports, no, see, two kinds of reports can be generated. I want the AI to create a report. I'm asking AI. So please give an essay on how to spend time lavishly during a lecture session. You ask a question. Okay, you give an answer. Okay, once answer is received, no, for that answer you can create visuals, infographics. No sir, I am a IQSS coordinator, I am a department HOD, I have a report of my department. As a librarian, I have got a report of my library. So my report can be uploaded into this particular tool. After uploading my data, I can ask for visuals. You create a visual for this data, this data, this data, and they will generate visual for all the data. Once the visuals are created, you can go and change the color, change the layout, you can add your own image, you can go and give commands, you can add label to the already existing image. It's a beautiful tool. Napkin. Just try Napkin. Napkin is a beautiful tool which I have been using for 2 or 3 years for all my library reports. How to make my library reports so colorful. Okay? And conveying also. I can do that. Okay? See, for example, I go to Napkin and I just go for, I just give a comment. What are the AI tools available for the librarians? I am asking the Napkin tool to generate the content. Okay, it generates content. Once content is generated, take the cursor to the left side. Suppose I want to generate visuals. Just click on generate visuals. A beautiful visual will be created. Once visual is created, no, the visual you can edit it. Color mathikalam, label add panikalam. In the image oda innor image add panikalam neenga. All the possibilities are, you can draw. In the image oda sedhu na konja vare, you can go and draw. Ella options keela irukku ungalku. See, all the options are there. You can go and try. This is one option, okay. And secondly, second option is getting a blank one. I go for a blank napkin. This time I am uploading a PDF. Okay, this is my library report. My library report, one particular year, what I have done in the library, including everything. Okay, just added it, uploaded it. I just ask visuals. It provides visuals for everything. Department libraries, facilities, different visuals it gives. So your report becomes very colorful, very conveying. The report will be, okay. The napkin is beautiful. You can try. So this way, many tools are there. Okay. Yes. Now I will take just 10 more minutes to show you what are the general AI tools that are available for your use. Okay. Yes. I just tell you what are the tools available. Okay. I am not going to describe them because maybe we have got 10 more minutes for discussion, I think. Okay. So we can enjoy with all the free tools, but they are not AI tools. They are not AI tools, but they are tools that will be helping you do your academic and research activities. And we have tools for all these purposes. Okay, we have tools for alert service. See, you are doing a research on a particular topic. You want to get an alert either from the publisher or from the databases. Whenever a new paper is published on your topic, you should be getting an email. Okay, instead of you going and searching for the information, whenever new information is arrived on your topic, they will come and tell you, excuse me, I am a new person, I am coming, just see me. That kind of alert services, you can go for it. Then translation, you know, you go for Google Translate, you can go for Google Docs translation, you can go for, there is something called Unicode font. Website pair na Unicode font, especially when you are interested in typing some content in regional languages, maybe in Marathi, maybe in Hindi, maybe in Tamil, no, you can go and prepare Unicode font. Unicode is a standard, international standard. If you prepare your content in a Unicode, no, wherever you copy and paste, no, it will just come and fit like that. Otherwise, no, when you're copying and pasting regional content, you could see some squares, no, some squares coming in between. Words not visible. But if you do it in Unicode font, no, it will exactly be as you type it in the tool. That's a Unicode font tools are there. Then comes grammar check. For grammar, you can make two tools. One is Grammarly and Ginger. Both are free tools. Both these tools can be used for checking grammar. Sir, I want to check what other mistakes I have done with my paper. You can upload your paper, or you can copy and paste one or two paragraphs. They will check and tell you. Okay, you can do that. And Ginger, no. Ginger is having one Office add-in. Okay, Office add-in. If you click and install, no, that Ginger will be appearing in all your MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, everywhere Ginger menu will be available. Okay, what you can do, when you're typing something, just go and click the menu Ginger, it will check the grammar and tell you. Okay, it's free, you can try this, okay. But it corrects 50 mistakes at a time. 50 mistakes at a time, okay. Actually, let's go through fast. Alert services from Google, you can try Google Scholar. Google Scholar, you can go and create alert. Once you create alert, no, they will give you all the messages to your mail ID. And there is something called Journal TOCS. This is another tool. ஒரு ஜேர்னலுக்கு டிஓசி இருக்கும் இல்லையா, டேபிள் ஆஃப் கண்டென்ட், அது மாதிரி ஒரு 30,000 ஜேர்னல்ஸ் டிஓசி டேபிள் ஆஃப் கண்டென்ட்ஸ் ஆர் அவைலபிள் ஹியர். யூ கேன் கோ அண்ட் ஃபாலோ அப் டு 20 ஜேர்னல்ஸ். இஃப் யூ ஆர் கோயிங் அண்ட் ஃபாலோயிங் 2 or 3 ஜேர்னல்ஸ்னோ, அந்த ஜேர்னலில் அதுக்கப்புறம் எப்பெல்லாம் இஷ்யூ பப்ளிஷ் ஆகுதோ அப்பெல்லாம் டிஓசி உங்கள் மெயில் ஐடிக்கு வந்துடும். Journal TOC, it's a beautiful service from UK based company. You can try this also. Okay, these two are the very important tools you can use for your thing. And I think I should not do this because I'll go back to my previous slide. Anyway, this PPT will be shared with you. You can go and see the demonstration of various tools. I'll just show you. Yes, okay. Then mind mapping, many tools are there, but the tool which I would like to suggest is GIT Mind. Whenever you want to create a mind map, no, you can go for a tool called GIT Mind. You can go and create a mind map. Mind map கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா? ஒரு சென்டரில் ஒரு கான்செப்ட் இருக்கும், அதில் ஒரு 4 பிரான்ச் இருக்கும், ஒவ்வொரு பிரான்ச்சுக்கும் 4 சப் பிரான்ச் போகும், ஒவ்வொரு சப் பிரான்ச்சுக்கும் 4 சப் பிரான்ச் போகும், இப்படியே போயிட்டே இருக்கும், நான் லீனியரில் போயிட்டு இருக்கும். அது பேர் மைண்ட் மேப்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. You can go and create. Nowadays, no, many research scholars, they are preparing their research design, they are preparing their findings as a mind map, they are presenting it. Okay, you can try this GIT Mind, a beautiful mind map which also has AI provision. நீங்கள் உள்ள போய் டாபிக் கொடுத்தா போதும். That will create mind map on its own and gives you, which can be edited by you. சரியா பண்ணலாம் நீங்கள். Then data visualization, நிறைய tools இருக்கு data visualization இருக்கு. One tool which I would like to suggest, raw graph. அதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு 55 கிராஃப் இருக்கு. நீங்கள் வாழ்க்கையில் எங்கேயுமே பார்த்துருக்க மாட்டீங்க, அவ்வளோ பியூட்டிஃபுல்லான சார்ட்ஸ் அங்கே இருக்குது ரா கிராஃபில். வாட் யூ நீட் சப்போஸ் யூ தட் you have to enter the data or you need to upload the data. First step. Second step, you need to select the chart type. And thirdly, you should say which variables should be in x-axis, y-axis, something like that. And fourth step, you need to go and choose a design. What should be the length, color, breadth, background color. Fifth step, download. Okay, very simple, which is like a login and all. Beautiful tool. Raw graphs you can try for data visualization. Data collection, you can go for Microsoft Office forms. Apart from Google form, you can go for Microsoft Office form. It has a lot of advantages. Then sample size calculation, if you want to decide what is the sample size for my research work, you can use some tools like RAWSoft, R-A-O, RAWSoft sample size calculator. Just go to this tool and tell what is your population. They will tell you what is the minimum sample that you need to collect for your study. RAWSoft sample size calculator. Otherwise, go for SurveyMonkey. You might have heard about SurveyMonkey. SurveyMonkey is another tool. SurveyMonkey is another tool which can be used for deciding what should be the minimum recommended sample size for my research work. You can try these two tools. One is RAWSoft sample size calculator, and second you can go for SurveyMonkey sample size calculator. Okay, fine. And then comes statistical analysis. When you want to analyze data, no need to have SPSS. No need. There are some tools. Okay, whatever is available in SPSS, 60 to 70% of all the analysis can be done free of cost using online tools without installing anything. Okay, I'll tell you only two tools. First one is SOCSCIstatistics.com. SOCSCIstatistics.com. Inferential statistics, descriptive statistics, 40 to 70 different varieties of statistical tests are available. You can do it free of cost. Okay. And secondly, stats.blue. Stats, S-T-A-T-S, stats.blue. If you go through this PPT, I have given screenshots of all these tools, and I have given how you have to go and work on all these tools. Step-by-step instructions are also available. You can use it, okay? So you can use these two tools, SOCSCI statistics and stats.blue for analysis purpose. Then comes academic phrase bank. Sir, ellarum ore maadhiri eludranga sir. This is inferred from the table. Table 1 shows that. எல்லாரும் இதே மாதிரி எழுதுறாங்க சார், ஏதாவது டிஃப்ரெண்டாக எழுத முடியுமா? I want to get some bank. What bank? Phrase bank. Whenever you are in dearth of some words, whenever you're dearth of words, you can go to academic phrase banks. Okay, from UK, from a university, they give beautiful phrase bank. Whether you want to write an introduction section, or review section, methodology section, or finding section, or discussion section, all the sections, whatever phrases you need, they have given. Okay, for example, sir, I am writing a review. I am writing a review section. What is my review? In my review, I am concentrating on the year-wise evolution of the concept. You can go and choose. They will tell you to write a review on year-wise evolution. What are the phrases you can use? They'll give you some 30-40 phrases, which can be taken by you and you can use it. Okay, academic phrase bank is there. Then comes finally journal recommenders. Journal recommenders. There are some tools that will help you to select which journal is best for your content. You're having a research paper, you want to know what is the best, most pertinent tool for journal for my paper. You can go and use journal recommenders. See, for example, journal recommenders from Taylor and Francis, Sage Publications, Wiley, everybody is having their own journal registers. If you go to Web of Science, for example, if you are interested in Web of Science is having a tool called Manuscript Matcher. It's called a Manuscript Matcher. Just go to Web of Science, a free tool. You have to go and type the title, you have to paste the abstract and click find a journal. They will tell you, according to your title and the abstract, what are the most pertinent journals available in Web of Science. Okay, this way, there are many online journal recommenders are there which you can use. Is it okay? Okay. So, plenty of tools are there. Plenty of tools for all different purposes of your academic and research career. We are blessed today to have a lot of tools. So, one thing is, we should take some time to get into these tools. You should explore yourself, know the features, functionalities of all these tools, know the goodness of all these tools, and try to convey this information to your friends, to your classmates, or your students. Do it. Okay? Yes. Now, a time for question answers. Okay? Question answers. You got some questions? You're most welcome with regard to the concepts that we have been discussing since this afternoon, please. Okay. Or sir, இன்னொரு 5 நிமிஷம் டைம் இருக்கு சார். நீங்க இந்த நீங்க சொன்ன டூல்ல இந்த டூல் மட்டும் கொஞ்சம் காமிங்கன்னா I will show you only that tool. என்னமா? Data collection. Okay. Data collection, normally we go for Google form. I tell you, instead of Google form use it, there's no problem. But you can go for Microsoft form also. See, for example, I'll tell you why I go for two features are there in Microsoft form. One is, I ask a question. Are you from Tamil Nadu? No. Are you from Tamil Nadu? No. Sir, are you from Tamil Nadu? Yes. I got two different answers. If the respondent says that I am not from Tamil Nadu, she will be directed to answer questions from 40 to 50. Okay. If the answer is that the respondent says I am from Tamil Nadu, he will be taken to another set of questions starting from 61 to 70. This is called a branching. Based on the response given by a respondent, he or we will be taken to different set of questions. It's called branching. Branching is possible in Microsoft Office form. Okay. And secondly, sir, நீங்க சொல்றதுக்கு முன்னாலே நான் ஒரு PDF ஃபைல்ல Word ஃபைல்ல எல்லா क्वेश्चनமே ஆப்ஷனோ டைப் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன் சார் நான். எனக்கு தெரியல சார் Google form யூஸ் பண்ணனும்னு. I typed all the questions in MS Word or PDF file. What you can do in MS Office form? Just go and import Word file or PDF file. Just import the file. All the 25 questions, whatever you typed in MS or PDF, will be automatically converted into a questionnaire. You need not go and type anything in Microsoft form if you have typed everything in MS Word or PDF. Are you getting the point? These are few features why I say you can go for Microsoft Office also. Okay, yes. Thank you for that question. Anything else? Yes. Aதாவது, please understand, I strongly recommend wherever I go to handle a class, I never recommend any free tool for my friends or for my students for checking the plagiarism. Okay, that will lead you and that will land you a lot of problems. Okay, if at all you decide to publish a paper, you've done a paper, you have prepared a paper, you want to send a paper to any good quality journal, there are some people, those who are having valid softwares. Either you go for Turnitin or Authenticate or Drillbit. So Drillbit is from Government of India. They are providing to all the universities. And Turnitin and Authenticate are USA based companies. Okay. If you are checking your paper against these three anti-plagiarism softwares, you will not be having any problem. Otherwise, no. There are plenty of, for example, Viper, Scan My Essay. There are many free plagiarism checkers are available. But the problem is that if you go and check your paper against plagiarism there, the next time when you go to some other journal, no, they will say 100% plagiarism. Okay. We cannot rely the free plagiarism checkers. So kindly don't use freely available tools for plagiarism purpose. Okay. Thank you so much. Any other question, please? Sir. I don't get the question. English literature. Okay. No, it depends on what kind of things you want. Whether you want the journals, I will tell you to go somewhere. If you want a thesis, I will tell you go somewhere else. If you want to get the MLSL, I will tell you go to some other tool. It depends on the area you want. You tell me, I can tell you which source you can use it. You can use it, no problem. Yes, please. Your last question. Yes? Anything? Okay. Then I take this opportunity to thank the management and my best friends Ravichandran sir and Aravind sir and Muruganandam sir for having given me this wonderful opportunity of meeting you all in person and having interaction with you on these three areas. And thank you so much for your patient listening. Thank you so much.
யாராவது ஃபீட்பேக் சொல்கிறீங்களா? Anyone? Okay. Thank you, sir. Ramasam, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful speech. Your speech was very much informative, very useful to us. Too much of information we have today. Thanks a lot, sir.